Aphids, tiny monsters lurking in your garden, ready to wreak havoc on your precious plants. These small, pear-shaped insects suck the life out of your greenery, leaving behind curled, yellowing leaves and stunted growth. As if that wasn't enough, they excrete honeydew, a sticky substance that invites the dreaded black sooty mold. But fear not, for we have the ultimate guide to exorcise these garden demons. The first step in any horror story is identifying the threat. Look for clusters of small insects on new growth, the undersides of leaves and stems. Curled, yellow, or distorted leaves are a sure sign, as is the sticky honeydew or the ominous black sooty mold. Summon nature's own exterminators: ladybugs, lacewings, parasitic wasps. For smaller infestations, get hands-on, water spray, hand-picking. Concoct homemade sprays to banish the aphids, insecticidal soap, neem oil, garlic spray. As a last resort, consider chemical treatments, horticultural oils, systemic insecticides. The best defense is a good offense: healthy plants, companion planting, regular monitoring. Consider these extra measures: reflective mulch, essential oils. To defeat the aphid menace, use a combination of natural predators, homemade sprays, and preventive measures. Regular monitoring and early intervention are crucial. Follow these steps, and you'll protect your garden from these tiny terrors. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. And remember, the battle against aphids is ongoing, but with these methods, victory will be yours.